Hello everybody, welcome back to our Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable battery health protection on your XPeng vehicle. So first, what we're going to do is we're going to go over into the vehicle settings right here. In the vehicle settings, we're going to scroll down to charging and discharging, and here we have battery health protection. So this basically will protect our battery from it draining too much battery. So this may be a little bit complicated, but it's really not. Basically, it will protect our battery now, and it's protecting it because after the next charging is completed, the charging limit will automatically restore to base percentage. Of course, you can put it on optimal, and it will be at an optimal charging limit, so you don't really need battery health protection enabled. But that's what you guys can do, and that's basically it. You guys can enable it, disable it. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.